Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY lip scrub, and this lip scrub only needs 3 steps. This is so you guys don't have to go out to the store to like Lush and buy like a $20 lip scrub. You can just use your household items. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, like I said, this is a 3-step lip scrub, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need white sugar, some extra virgin olive oil, and some honey. Then you're going to need a mixing utensil, a container to put your lip scrub in. Make sure it has a lid so it's sealed tight. And then you're going to need some measuring spoons. So I don't have like no second camera or anything, so I'm just going to show you guys, like, I'm going to try to hold it up here and like mix it and stuff. But you're going to take your sugar first. And you're going to grab about 1 teaspoon of sugar, so that's what it looks like, just a teaspoon. And grab your sugar, it's that much. So grab another teaspoon, doing a little bit at a time. So like, okay, 2 teaspoons of sugar, because that's quite a bit in there. So you have 2 teaspoons of sugar. Next, you're going to take your extra virgin olive oil, and you're going to take a 1/2 teaspoon. This is so it's not like too liquidy or not like, you know, but you gotta be careful. It's full. And put some in there. Then I'm going to take my honey and I'm gonna mix a 1/2 teaspoon in, and this should get all the honey out of the teaspoon because the oil makes it slip right out. There's a teaspoon of honey in there. Ready? That's science. That's how to not stick honey into something. Just use oil before. So now we're just going to mix it and see if we need to add anything in there. I kind of do little by little so I don't put too much, and then I have to like add more of something and, you know, keep putting too much. You can also use food coloring, that is optional. I should have told you guys this before, but you know, kadoink. I'm a doink head. But ooh, I'm going to be needing some more liquid in here. So I'm gonna take about 1/4 teaspoon more of olive oil. Oopsie, that's why you're doing it on a table, Eva. And then I'm gonna take 1/4 teaspoon of honey. And I hate the way honey smells, it's like stinky. And just mix her uppers. That's stuck right here. Get off my finger. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to put too much stuff in here. I'm really trying to mix everything in. Our son Wesley kinda glows. My neighbor's outside. Alright, so you can make it liquidy or like this. I'm gonna leave it like this just so it actually like exfoliates and stuff. So now I'm gonna try it out for you guys. Yay, love that. I have a rag to get off of me to wipe it off. It's kind of sticky. Smells like honey. I don't like honey. And I'm like one of those fancy people, and I have a bowl of water. Here's proof. It's cold. It's not warm. It was warm, but it's not anymore. Okay, someone is in the car too. And like, okay. But anyways, I'm gonna take some lip scrub. I don't have a mirror either. Let's add some more olive oil. I'm gonna add more olive oil in there. That's too crumbly. No one wants a crumbly lip scrub. Actually, don't taste that bad. Add a 1/4 teaspoon more. Blop. People probably think I'm weird, but it doesn't bother me. Yeah, it does. See, mine kind of turned out to like green because of the olive oil. But if you don't want that ugly green color, or if you like green, you can leave it, but you can change it to like pink, blue, purple, yellow, orange, whatever you want. I'm gonna take some now that it's better. It falls all over the place. Okay. And just, I go in circular motions. Circular motions. Okay. I don't really want to eat it. Just getting all that dead skin off your lips. Alright. Now that I made a mess of myself, I'm gonna dip my rag into some water. And we'll wipe it off. I got some on the camera. Okay. Don't do what I do, guys. I'm retarded, that's why. Okay. Is there water on my camera? Okay, let's dry them. And would you look at that? My lips look red. I want bigger lips. Okay, but that's it for your 3-step DIY lip scrub. You guys can color it if you want to, and also afterwards put some lip balm on if you want. I don't have my lip balm with me right now, but that was an echo. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to follow me on my social media. That will be down in the description box below, or my Instagram will be on the screen somewhere. Okay, so I love y'all and hope to see you guys next time, and bye.